Hi guys, welcome to the Alpha channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about 7 smart money tactics that are very important. It will help you improve your life, manage your money wisely, and make better financial decisions. Now, smart money tactics are essentially for anyone looking for ways to achieve financial security and success, and I know everybody find themselves in that category. Now, these tactics involve making wise decisions with your money, how you can earn, you can save, and also you can invest your money, right? And I'll be sharing with you guys 7 smart money tactics that can help you reach your financial goals with ease. Number one, you need to learn how to create a budget. In fact, you need to learn how to write things down on paper, the amount you want to spend, so that you can know where your money is going to. The first and the most critical step in any smart money strategy is for you to create a budget. A budget will allow you to track your income and your expenses, and it will also help you identify areas that you can cut costs, right? So this is going to help you plan and also prepare you for future expenses. Creating a budget can be as simple as listing out your monthly income and expenses on a piece of paper, or you can get softwares like apps on Google Play Store, Apple Store, iOS, and different platforms that can help you keep track of your spending. When you know where your money is going to, then you can know how to manage your money. Number two, you need to learn how to save for emergencies, right? No one knows what tomorrow holds. We all pray for a better tomorrow. I also pray for a better tomorrow. But one thing that is important is for you to have an emergency fund, right? An emergency fund is basically a savings account that you can access when unexpected needs arise, such as maybe your car breaks down, you need to fix your car, or you want to take care of medical bills, somebody falls sick in your family. You don't need to start going up and down, shaking and panicking. You already have the money saved in your emergency fund. In fact, a lot of experts, they advise people to save 3 to 6 months worth of their living expenses for emergency fund. So when you make your salary, keep a little amount of money for emergency fund. We don't pray for bad thing, but at least let's be prepared. Now, number 3, you need to pay off high interest debts. I don't like people going into debt. I don't even like getting things on credit. But if you find yourself in a situation where you have high interest debts, such as credit card debt, you can quickly manage them before they spiral out of control, because most of those debts, their charges are always very crazy. So to avoid this, you need to focus on paying off high income debt first, so that you can start with the debts that has the highest interest rate, right? The ones with the highest interest rate, once you can take care of them, this will help you manage your money, and you will save more money on your interest charges, and it will also help you get out of debt faster and give you more peace of mind. So number 4, you need to invest for the long term. Now, it is essential, very essential part of smart money saving tactics for you to invest your money, because it helps your money, it allows your money to grow over time. And one of the ways you can do this is for you to invest on stuff that have long-term value. A lot of people buy shitty cryptocurrency that can pump and dump for short-term growth. This doesn't make any sense. Always learn to invest for long-term over short-term. Now, you need to choose investment that will grow over time, and stop making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuation, because you can get stuck in between and you might end up making very terrible financial decisions and you regret it. The next thing I would advise you to do is to diversify your portfolio. Are you listening to me? Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your investment in one place. Diversification is the key for you to reduce the risk in your investment portfolio. By investing in a variety of assets, stocks, shares, cryptocurrency, bonds, real estate, you can spread the risk and minimize the impact of one investment on your total investment performance. So if one is not performing well, maybe others will be doing fine. But if all your money is in one and that one is not performing well, you might begin to panic, and you have to start counting your loss. Number 6, please make sure you live below your means. A lot of people, they earn 100k, and at the end of the month, in fact, once they collect their salary, they are spending over 200,000 already. They're already in debt. Living below your means is a critical component for any smart money tactics, right? This means that you need to spend less than you earn and avoid unnecessary expenses, so that you can be able to save more and pay off debt faster, and also invest for the future. I tell people, when you want to grow your money, you want to become more comfortable in the future, you need to invest. You save money so that you can invest that money for the future. Now, the last one is for you to behave like Nigerian women. Learn how to negotiate. A lot of people do not know that negotiation is an essential skill that can help you save money. everything. Learn how to price, learn how to negotiate, from your cable bills to your car purchase to buying your groceries. If you have the opportunity of negotiating, please learn how to negotiate effectively, because this can help you get the best deals, and it also save you money for long-term purpose, right? So these are important 7 ways for you to begin to use smart money tactics to make your life more comfortable, to invest for your future, to secure your finance and make better financial decisions. If content gives you any value at all, make sure you subscribe to this channel, you hit the like button, and you leave a thank you and tell me to make more videos like this. This is the first time I'm creating this kind of content, and if you want me to make more content like this, I would like to see that in the comment section. Any question, you can leave that. I love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out.